Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in the previous video we are discuss about Java data types, and now we are going to discuss about Java operators. So what is Java operators? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So in this example, we have this operator na plus. So this operator is to add two values. So yung value ni x is 100 plus 50 is yung magiging value niya is 150. So ginagamitan natin ng addition. So although plus operator is often used to add two value, like in this example, it can be also used to add a variable and a value. So in this case, we have this sum variable which is used in the second variable, which is sum1 plus yung value na 250. So pwedeng ganyan. Ipapasa niya yung value dito. Pag ano yung value dito, for example, yung value ni sum1 is 150 plus 50 is equal 150. So ginagamit natin si value na 150 dito sa sum1 plus 250 nagiging 400. So yung value ni sum2 is 400, at saka pwede natin gamitin na si sum2 plus sum2 is equal to 800. So yung value ni sum3 is 800. So yun lang guys. So meron din tayong Java divides the operators into the following groups. So meron tayong groups na operators, yung arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. So meron tayong example dito guys na arithmetic. So yung sa arithmetic operators guys is ito yung kadalasan ginagamit pag mathematical operation na. So ito. So meron diyan na plus. So ito 'yung ginagamit pang addition. So it's add two values. So x plus y, yung ganyan. So yung operator naman na minus is subtraction, multiplication, yung asterisk, division, then ito yung percentage, yung ginagamit yung modulus, no? Ito yung sa modulus sa Java. And yung plus plus, ito yung increment, minus minus, decrement. So yun guys. So meron din tayong Java assignment operators. So yung equal na sign dito is nag-a-assign siya ng 10 na value. So yung operator na assignment natin na equal is siya yung nag-assign ng value na 10 sa variable x. So yan guys. I hope maintindihan nyo ng linaw. So ito naman yung comparison operators. So bali yung comparison operators naman ay kino-compare niya yung dalawang variable. So sa programming, it helps to find answer and make decision. So ginagamit dito sa pagbigay ng mga decisions, or ito yung kadalasan na nag-return ng either true or false na value. So yung mga value na yan is yun yung mga boolean values. And in this case, magiging yung ginagamit natin is greater than. So yung sa example natin is titingnan natin na yung value ni x is may 5 at value ni y is may 3. So in this case, check natin yung sa example dito, yung x ba, yung value ni x ay greater than y. So yung output ito guys is true because 5 is higher than 3. So meron din tayong logical operators guys. So yung logical operators guys is true or false, no, values with logical operators. So yung double AND is logical AND. Ganitong operator guys is logical OR. At ito naman is logical not. Double and or not. So, yung and dito is nagre-return ng true if yung both condition niya is true. So, yan. Ito naman is magre-return siya ng true if yung bawat yung one of the condition, for example dito na condition is true at saka dito is true, is either nilang dalawa na may true na value, magiging true. So ito naman si logical not is yung value niya if is reverse, if true dito yung value, magiging not true. So if not true, so yan, magre-return siya ng true. If return false, so magiging true kasi naka-not. So yung opposite niya yung value. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you learn a lot, and if you like this video, please subscribe, and see you in next video, guys. I hope you learn a lot.